Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create an API key for a website you create and edit and design on Framer. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, in the first step, navigate to the Framer application in the web version or desktop version. Next, select your workspace in the top left and then choose your project. You're on the left hand side, click into all and go through your site projects here. What you want to do after that is hover your mouse over the given website project, click into these three dots and choose Open Settings to access your site settings. And then here, navigate to General on the left hand side, scroll all the way down and here under API Keys, click into Add to the right, create a name for the API key. I will go with ABC123 just for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to delete that API key later, but just to show you how it works, click into create here, and then the given API key will be assigned that code here or key token, sorry. You can copy it to a clipboard or I don't know, copy it and then memorize it or note it down in a Word document. And that's it. Click into done. You will see the list below, the creation date for the given API key, the last use date, the expiration date as well. So as you can see, the expiration date is 5 years from now on, and to delete it, which is exactly what I'm going to do, is to delete it, click into the trash icon, confirm the revoking, and that's how you create and also delete API keys for websites on Framer. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.